Several members of the NKU tennis team are not just dealing with the workload of being a student athlete, but also the challenge of studying in a foreign country. Klara Skopac, originally from Croatia, talked about the challenges facing her in the United States.
I think the language. I knew English pretty good and I spoke English, but I didn't really know academic English, I think, because I was struggling in school in the start, but I think I got used to it pretty fast. I needed 1 semester. And another thing I needed to get used to is all the fast foods around here. Temptation.
It's been a tough year for Yasmin Zantos, who has been out with a wrist injury. Still, while she can only watch her teammates for now, the native of the Gold Coast in Australia is enjoying her time at NKU.
I love it. I really like that I got the opportunity to play the sport I love at a collegiate level and study. In Australia, you choose one, you go professional or you go to school. There's no such thing as a sports scholarship, and the opportunity I've gotten here I'm so grateful for, and I love that I can play.
Zantos has traveled all over the world playing in tennis tournaments. She said it was a big adjustment going from the environment of international tournaments to the collegiate tennis environment.
It was so different. I've never been coached before while playing, so it was very different to have a coach on court being able to help you and tell you tactics. It was also a shock to how loud college tennis is, with everybody being able to cheer and be in your face and obnoxious. I was so used to the quiet setting of tournaments where you weren't allowed to talk. And then my 3 years here is probably the longest I've been able to stay in one location since when I was little, because I was always on the road traveling.
Jody McGinley, who is from Antigua, played both tennis and cricket until he was 15. Then he had to choose between the two sports. Since there weren't many tennis players at home, he moved to Florida to train as a tennis player.
The thing is, my dad was a professional tennis player, and I just always loved both sports. And I had to make a decision about my education and which one I truly loved more and stuff. And also, I think there was a lot of politics in cricket back home at the time, so it kind of turned me away from the sport too.
In total, there are 7 members of the tennis team born outside the United States. Their season continues through the month of April.